Hello traders, welcome back to this channel. My name is Vishwajit. So in this video we are going to do a weekly analysis on Nifty, Bank Nifty and USD INR. Why we are doing this analysis? To find trading opportunities and also to see where the market is heading. So let's start from Nifty. So when you open the chart of Nifty, you can see a doji candle which has formed on a daily time frame. So what does doji candle indicates? It indicates a reversal in the price movement. So if the reversal were to happen, we can expect Nifty to come up till 19,490.95. So if this to happen, we want Nifty to give a big green candle in this area. So let's assume that on Monday Nifty gave a big green candle, then we can expect Nifty to come up till here. So another important thing is Nifty has already taken a support on 50-day moving average. So our second confirmation will be doji plus big green candle which can form on Monday. So just remember that we want confirmations like this whenever we are going to take a trade, so that we can increase the chances of making profits. So now let's analyze Bank Nifty. In the previous video, we expected Bank Nifty to come down till 43,000 ka level. So as you can see here, Bank Nifty has taken a support on this area, and now we can expect Bank Nifty to consolidate in this area only. So what should we do now and how to trade Bank Nifty? It's better not to take any trades here because we want Bank Nifty to break this resistance zone. Otherwise, we want Bank Nifty to break this support zone. If Bank Nifty breaks this support zone, we can short Bank Nifty because we can expect a big downfall here. Otherwise, if Bank Nifty breaks this resistance zone, then we can expect Bank Nifty to go up till 44,500 ka level. So that's how we can trade. So it's better not to take any trades when Bank Nifty is trading in this area. So now let's analyze USD INR. If you have seen the previous video, we discussed that the trend is getting squeezed, and we can expect USD INR to break this resistance zone, and USD INR has broken this resistance zone, and we can expect a small pullback here, and it can come down till 82.8364, and after that we can expect USD INR to consolidate in this area. So if you want to take a long position, then we have to wait till USD INR break this all-time high. Otherwise, if we want to take a short position, then we have to wait till USD INR break this support zone. When USD INR comes here, then we can short. Otherwise, when USD INR comes here, we can take a long position till here. We can short till here, and we can take a long position till here. So this is it in this weekly analysis video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. And also, if you found this video informative, share with your friends who trades in futures and options. So till then, see you next week. Bye.